I 3D printed this really cool wall mount for my Echo Dot, and you can too. Once you remove the supports from the model, you'll notice there are two small screw holes in the back of the mount as well as on the inside. First you gotta push the screws through, and then you can screw them into the wall. Once you do that, you'll notice that there's a hole in the bottom of the mount to bring the cord up through. Once you do that, you can push it through the bottom hole and then plug it into your Echo. Finally, you can set your Echo into the mount and give the cord a little tug to make sure it's not all bunched up in the back. The link to this model is in the pinned comment as well as my channel description.